Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the frequently asked BDD Cucumber interview question and answers for test automation. And these interview questions apply for the experience range from 2 to 8 plus years of experience. Okay, so let's get started. What is Cucumber and how does it support BDD? You can answer. Cucumber is a tool used for BDD behavior driven development. It allows writing test scenarios in plain language using Gherkin syntax, which bridges the communication gap between non technical stakeholders and developers. And next question goes about what are the key components of a Cucumber test framework. We can mention feature files, step definitions, hooks, and runner class. Okay, and what's the benefit of each component? And the third question is about the Gherkin syntax and its keyword. Gherkin is a simple language for writing the test scenarios in a human readable format, and the keywords are feature, scenario, given, when, then, and, or but. Okay. The next question is about how do you manage reusable steps in Cucumber? That's by using the parameterized steps and regex in the step definition files. Common steps across different scenarios can be reused efficiently. Sharing common logic helps reduce code duplication and makes the test suite more maintainable. And the fifth question is about the role of a runner class in Cucumber. The runner class is used to trigger the execution of the Cucumber tests, and it's been annotated with @runWith annotation. Okay, and it contains the configuration options such as the location of feature files, step definitions, reports, and Cucumber options like tags and plugin. The next question is about how do you handle test data in Cucumber scenarios. Okay, test data can be managed in several ways via data tables, scenario outline, and external files. The next question is about what are hooks in Cucumber and how would you use them. Hooks are the block of code that run before or after each scenario, defined using @before and @after annotations. They are useful for setting up the prerequisites and performing teardown activities. Okay. And how do you implement tagging in Cucumber and why it is useful? Tags in Cucumber are used to categorize scenarios. You can assign the tags like @smoke or @regression or to specific scenarios or for feature files. And in the runner class, you can use the tags in Cucumber options to control which test should be executed, allowing flexibility and test suite management. Okay, so the next question is about the Cucumber on how Cucumber integrates with Selenium. Okay, Cucumber integrates with Selenium by using step definitions, where Gherkin steps are mapped to the Selenium WebDriver code. Cucumber handles the feature files high-level description of a test, while Selenium executes the browser actions for test automation. What is a scenario outline and how does it differ from a regular scenario? A scenario outline is used to execute the same scenario with different sets of data. It uses the examples keyword to specify the data inputs. A regular scenario runs only once with a specific set of conditions. And the next question is about the difference between background and scenario in Cucumber. Background is used to define common steps that should be run before each scenario in a feature file. It allows reusing setup steps across multiple scenarios and reducing the redundancy. A scenario, on the other hand, defines a single test case. Okay, so the next question is about how do you handle dependencies between scenarios in Cucumber. Okay, so Cucumber discourages scenario dependencies as scenarios should be independent to ensure the test reliability. The next question is about how do you generate a Cucumber report and what are the common reporting plugins. And the next question is about how do you handle failed scenarios in Cucumber. And the 15th question is about can Cucumber be integrated with continuous integration tools and how. Okay, so guys, if you are looking for similar end-to-end complete study materials along with company specific interview questions and detailed answers asked in almost all the top companies including service based, product based, mid-sized and startup companies, and if you are looking for the complete guide which has been crafted after taking 3500 plus automation years with built after 14 plus years of real IT experience. Please do check out for the link in the comment section and also in the description, and let me know if you have any queries or questions. This has been designed for 0 to 15 plus years of experienced candidates, and it contains 10,000 plus real-time interview questions along with answers across for a full stack SDET engineer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview. Happy learning, happy testing.